Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech Maybe Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert a bar chart on your WPS presentation on the mobile phone. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. Now, how to insert a bar chart on your WPS presentation mobile, just going to show. So first of all, it's just going to add a new slide here. So it should be it can be a blank slide. So I just click on the icon option on the bottom section. Now you just need to scroll down and you just need to find the charts. Click on the shader option or click on the chart option. Now just change the column chart to the bar chart, the second option, and just swipe sidewise so you can find a different type of theme sets. Then click on the chart or which that you just needed. So here I just click this and click OK option. So now you can find the chart has been here. You have a edit data on the bottom section. You can just click this and you can just edit the data. So here I just need to edit the data. Then you just can click OK option. So it might be changed here. So you double tap on the cell that you just want to edit it. Just click this and just edit it like this. And here you can just make another tab and you can just change the value by this option. And click OK option, so it will have these changes on your data on the chart. And this is how you just insert the bar chart on your WPS presentation. And you can just click on this icon option and you can just change the theme set of the bar chart too. And I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with the super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Maybe Unique. Have a wonderful day.